Hello, you guys. Welcome to Product Focus Friday. Remember, this month for February, we are playing with Pink Paislee. I have this one collection left of Pink Paislee little kit. I've got these two photos actually from Valentine's last year of my niece and her adorable bow that she wore for a tiny bit, and then her opening her Valentine's on Valentine's Day and her card. So we'll cut those out. There's just going to be two tiny photos. Big old scrapbook space, right? I grabbed this background because I really liked the brick. I mean, this is gorgeous too, but I really liked the brick. And this is Magnolia Moments from Fancy Pants from 2018. So I'm going to use this as my background. I was using this for a layout you'll see in the future. So I thought I would do some ink blending. I haven't played with inks or distress oxides or anything in a long time, any ink blending, so I think we're gonna do that. So I think I'm gonna ink blend a heart, and then I have these that are left over from a Confessions of a Paper Addict cut file layout as well, that you'll see, you should have seen actually, that I'm going to ink blend on those, and we'll add them to the layout with the two photos. Our other focus this month is tools, and today we are doing stapler. So I've actually grabbed out my We Are Memory Keepers Staple Anywhere stapler, I think is what it was called, or Anywhere stapler. I don't remember. But so what I've already prepped it with is I have only a few bright pink staples left. I think when you got the board, you got a bunch of colored ones. I can't remember. So I've got a couple bright pink ones, and then we just got silver. Trying to think if I want silver or gold. I don't think it will matter. I think we'll do silver. So I have these pink staples. So I've already prepped it by turning this to the medium, since those are in the medium, and got my thing ready, and I will put this on there. There, gotta lock that in. So we're gonna use this to staple these hearts to the layout, was my plan. So we'll do some ink blending. I'll staple those hearts, get these arranged, and use whatever else from this Pink Paislee kit that we can. We'll try to maybe use these chipboard frames. I guess there's one more Friday left, so we could always save them for next week. And then maybe use one of these cards, or some of the orange. I think I'm gonna do the color schemes that's kind of in this collection. So I'm gonna do like orange and pink and yellow. So yeah, I have an idea of what I want to do, but I'm not quite sure. So we'll see. But that is so far the plan. So let me get ink blending, let me get all that done, and then we'll start arranging and figure out what we want to do. We also have these lovely embellishments that are left over from a couple different collections that kind of went with the colors in this little mini kit from the scrap room from a long time ago of Pink Paislee. So yeah, we've got that too, and we can always pull from the stash. We've got doilies, we got things, so there's always stash to get involved, right? So we're making this product focus really stretch. The funny thing is, and my loose paper, I do have some Pink Paislee papers, I think. At least I know I had one. So we can always pull that in. Oh yeah, this is Pink Paislee. Is this one Pink Paislee? This is Pink Paislee. These are Pink Paislee as well. Just Paige Evans, it says. It doesn't say a collection. They're from 2016, so I'm not sure. But yeah, these have all very similar colors as well. They do. Huh. So we could pull these papers in for next week. We'll see. But that is my plan so far. So I'll get ink blending, and we'll see in a bit. Okay, so this is where I've gotten so far. I used the pink frame to frame the one photo of my niece and her bow. And I think I'm going to use this pink it's a card. It's from a photo play collection. I'm going to use that to matte my photo, but then I'm going to use other scraps to matte it more. I colored my hearts. So this one was, I did the stencil of the cutout that I showed you, and these were the 4 loose from the leftovers from a cut file. Grabbed all the like orangey yellow and pink butterflies out. I happen to have a little donut and some macarons. They're Valentine's Day, so treats was my thought. And then I'm realizing, I'm like, there is nothing from Pink Paislee except for this chipboard. So my thought was, oh, before I get into that, let me tell you what colors I used. So this is Picked Raspberry. This I used a Victorian, no I didn't, just kidding. Yeah, Victorian Velvet and Spun Sugar. This is Ice Spruce and Speckled Egg. You can see just a little bit of darkness. This is Twisted Citron and Squeezed Lemonade, because the green-yellow color in this collection is really hard to match. Yeah. And then this one's Wild Honey and Rusty Hinge. And then I just splattered them with water because they're oxides, so they oxidized. So since I realized that there's really no Pink Paislee on here at all, I think what I'm going to do, I want to bring in some of this orange. I think we're going to border punch and do a couple borders over here. And then, since I found this one, this has like 3 of the colors in it we're using. So I think we're going to strip this and put that over there. And we might use this one too. I'm going to see what it looks like with those 2 first. So let's do that really quick. And I know I can't forget to use my stapler. I won't, I promise. So yeah, I thought about putting this over here and then border punch and tucking that there. So let's get my border punch. I'm gonna use this one. This is, what is this, Martha Stewart? Yeah, a Martha Stewart one. I've had this one forever. I like it. It's a nice classic scalloped. I want some more border punches, but whenever I see ones I like, they're all like very similar to this. So I'm like, why do I need another one? I don't understand. I have my notebook punch. I have a scalloped edge. What more do you need, right? Okay. So then I figured we'd add this over here. And that's kind of cute. Okay, I like that. So let's glue that down really quick. Okay. I'm sorry. It's super crooked, but it's fine. It's fine. But yes, I'm really liking this arrangement, and I will staple these guys together here in a minute. Let's get this photo matted on the pieces of paper I want. I think we're gonna bring some of this bright pink over here. Skew the look of the crooked border. Oh gosh. All right, I'm gonna get this photo matted with a few things. I'm gonna get these popped up on foam and get them all glued down and start doing that, and then I'll be back, okay? Okay. All right, so I apologize. I did the stapling off camera because there's a reason I don't use that thing very often, and it's because it jams constantly. And if you only have like 2 or 3 staples in there, like it doesn't want to work. So it was more fussing with than anything, than actually getting anything done. But I did add some staples. I did 2 there and like kind of 2 wherever the hearts were like connected. And so now I'm adding some sequins. Also added these enamel hearts. They were just on this. I think they came in a collection, but I don't remember which one. So did that, and these are a vintage dowry mix from Spiegel Mom Scraps. I think my favorite mix ever. I feel like I'm constantly using it, little bits here and there. Like I use it so much. I've used it so much. But I feel like the layout needs something yet. And I found, I don't know, did I have this on camera? I have some, like literally a pile of things to my left that I'm trying to use. And so there's a cute little word that says sweet in silver. I thought would be perfect just to tuck in and be my embellishment. So now I'm just gonna look through and see what else I've got here. I mean, technically, this best day ever could go on here, but we won't do that. I want to add a doily. It's a little too late for that. We can look through, yeah, let's look through these ephemera pieces. I want to move this stuff. I should have incorporated this. That would have been perfect. Yeah. Oh, there's another donut. We can stick somewhere. Okay. If I was smart, I could have stuck this somewhere. I didn't really look at anything to add to this because I like how simple it is, but I could cut the donut up a little and stick it behind this butterfly. Oh look, another bicycle. Yeah, because I probably could have used this. That would have worked, but any of this glittery stuff, but it's down now because it's down, and then I have since like not been in my craft room for a day, so it's glued. It's down. All right, so let's put the donut on for sure. Or put the donut behind this one, maybe. I feel like it needs to be down here, though. Just to have a trio of sweet things. Yeah, let's see what's in here. I kind of feel like I got everything that I need, but you never know. See, this is the color. Yeah. Got Boyd's. Used birds. Oh, this cute camera would have worked. Yeah, now they got it sequins down though. It's like, Oh, look, another bicycle. Oh, this is cute. Nice vellum heart. Could have stapled that somewhere. I think we're done. I don't think we need to add anything more. I think it's done. I think all this stuff is kind of... Been really using the butterflies lately though, trying to use some of that stuff up. All right. So I think this is it. I did write down here, this is Valentine's Day 2021. And that's really all I need to write, I feel like. All right, well, yeah, I think, sorry, anticlimactic. So use the stapler. We will have to cover up these lovely staples that are poking through. They barely made it through because all those hearts were popped up on foam. There. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. So there you have it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week where we are going to use the very tiny bit left we have of this Pink Paislee collection and play with the oval cutter I have, the Creative Memories oval cutter. So we'll see you then.